Hey, this is No Gas. Thanks for tuning in. Last week we left Pontiac, Illinois and rode to Rolla, Missouri. We were riding in a group of 15 to 17 motorcycles, so we didn't get to see as many of the Route 66 icons as we would have liked to. Even so, we were able to finally find the original brick road, and we rode that in its entirety. Today, we split off into a group of 7 riders. Let's see how that goes. Remember, we are trying to fit 7 motorcycles into Uranus. Hi, this is No Gas. Welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, then I'm glad you found us, and I hope you'll subscribe. It's free. So join us as we travel across Southwest Florida and the rest of the country in search of some of the best motorcycle riding destinations. In the morning, our group spent some time making sure our equipment was clean. I saw some decide to add a little extra lube. Others were warming theirs up. The one thing that most of us had in common is that we were wanting to ride in fast and hard. But there still were some that thought it would be better, since it was our first time, for us to ease into Uranus. So that's what we did. And here it is, the Uranus Fudge Factory. It's located in the Uranus, Missouri town center. It's a fun place with a great sense of humor that pokes fun at the town's name in the most juvenile way. And we are here to help. Man, there is a lot of crap in Uranus. How do they fit it all in there? Well, here we are at Uranus Fudge Factory. I think the fudge packers are in that store right there. Let's go check it out. Okay, I think we've screwed around Uranus long enough. It's time to pull out, go get some lunch. We're going to head to the Hangar Cafe in Miller, Missouri. We started off that direction, but along the way we ran into another Route 66 destination that we just couldn't pass up. It wasn't on our list to visit, but when we saw it, we had to stop. It's the Gary's Gay Rita Sinclair. It's a gas station on Old Route 66. And unlike a lot of other Route 66 destinations that are in bad repair, this one's been beautifully repaired and maintained. So enjoy this. Okay, here we are, Route 66 in Missouri. This is one of the famous gas station stops. The Gay Parisha filling station, established 1930. Traffic is kind of low here, so we're actually going to pull our bikes out there and get some pictures in the middle of the road with this Route 66 sign. Hi. All right. All right, so we'll take a little walk around here, see what's going on.
Oh, excellent. You know the drill then. Y'all relax. Take it easy. If you need anything, once again, I'm George. Just give me a holler.
Another photo op spot. Oh wow, look at all the old bottles. Yeah. Route 66. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I could use a pair of boots like that. Hey, I have one of those coffee grinders at home. Thanks to my mother. Well, my granny used to do her washing those. All right, let's go out this door. We'll take a look at the old Sinclair gas station here. It's a gift shop now. Any good stuff in there? Yeah? All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, is this? I thought this was a gift shop. Yeah.
It's cute.
Yeah.
I can mix later. I think I did them better.
That's the old gas station, huh? This part must be the gift shop. Yeah.
Oh, it's crooked as a Georgia politician. There you go, brother. There's one down.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
One more.
Y'all testing these things.
I know. Okay, now let's go get some lunch. And this is where we run out of paved road. All right, we made it to the hangar, had a nice buffet lunch, and that was pretty much it for the day. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It's free, and it really helps out the channel. In our next video, we'll be leaving Missouri and riding into Oklahoma.